denoted by the car here. So the car is not a big deal in our drawing. So we can really clean off this car. You can highlight this car here. You can really clean it off because we are seeing our bulbs not being what? Seen. So you can highlight it like that. But you see, if I've highlighted it, also our bulbs are being what? Are being highlighted. So you can, that's the essence of working in layers. You can come, there is this tool called Quick Select. So you tap on that Quick Select tool. You come here by layer. You're selecting by what? You're applying to the current selection. Because there are multiple objects, you place multiple objects. You come here, you select by layer. So in my cleaning, as I told you, we are going back to we shall see the cleaning process. In my cleaning, me, those drawings, they are all on to what? The zero layer. So they are already, the value is equal to what? To 0. So if I select OK, you would see that it is only the color that is what? Being selected, and my bulb is left out. So if I delete off that, if I delete, you can see that now what? The bulbs are seen. And you know that if I print this, there is no excuse that the technician on ground didn't see this what? This bulb, you know? So all those are qualities of a good design. A clean drawing, a properly clean drawing. So meaning that it would be proper that we delete all these cards off because they are making our what? Our drawing not being seen. We are not seeing these bulbs because if you print, yes, they will appear, but we want a well-detailed what? Well-detailed drawing. So that's it. We've seen also that quick select the quality, good quality of a good design. So let's learn how can we switch this what? How can we switch this this lighting layout, this lighting? So first of all, what is the quality of a good switching circuit? A good circuit. How is it switched? On and off. For a lighting, we expect switches to be on what? Entries and exits. That's the first that's the consideration that we really have to look at. Exits and what? Exits and what? And the entrances. So if you to see this side, there is no any exit here. This side, and you can also see this. This is the walkway. I'm seeing you can also drive in from this other side. I'm seeing this point here. You're driving in also. In other words, the other. I don't know. I didn't do well of the analysis of this drawing before we started, because those are the fundamental things that we really needed to start with. But today, really, we wanted to learn how to use some of the tools of AutoCAD. That's why we didn't go much into the details, which I hope that we're going to do soon. Yeah. So let me go straight to this that is really complete. You can see this one, which is really complete. I've shown you the steps, how we come to these lighting fixtures. So you can also see this. So for this, you can see that we considered the room coming. Remember, for us coming with the other one, we considered the room cutting from this point along this. Not so, but the parking area was up to this other side. That's why you see that he achieved almost the same number of what lights that we do have, just having this extended. You getting me? All that, you've seen the calculation behind that. So now here, this is the proper wiring that you would do. So you would see also separating these lights to different switches is a proper way of switching. You getting me? So you will see that what did he do? To switch this, you have this. We have this. So
these switches. So these switches are looking at what? And this exit that goes into the staircase so that you can move out from the what? So you can go up, you can move out from the basement. Yes, so we put a switch, then we say switch